Hey guys, Greg Mercer here from Jungle Scout, and today I want to talk to you about the 7 steps for finding the perfect product to sell on Amazon. But before I forget, make sure you click the subscribe button below to give you the competitive edge with selling on Amazon. So the first thing we want to talk about is how much product demand this particular product has. So we want a product that's already selling well on Amazon, or a product niche that's already selling well on Amazon. This means people are actively going to Amazon and typing in this product or product niche and already looking for it on Amazon. This is exactly what we want, instead of trying to dream up a particular product niche that we think might do well. The second thing we're looking for today is the competition. So there's plenty of products that sell thousands of units every month on Amazon, but a lot of these are too competitive for us as new sellers to get into and do well. The easiest way to gauge how competitive a particular product niche is how many reviews each listing has on Amazon. If you make a search on Amazon and you see all the products have 500 or 1,000 reviews, this is likely a niche that is super competitive and difficult to get into. Instead, look for listings that have under 100 or even under 50 reviews, and if there's lots of listings like that for your niche, then it's likely something that is not very competitive and something that you can easily get into. The third thing you want to look for is product profitability. At Jungle Scout, we have a rule of thumb that we like to see 100% return on investment for any particular product. This means if we're spending $5 to land a product, we want to make $5 profit on that particular product, and we recommend the same for you. These are very achievable results on Amazon, and this is what I'd recommend. The fourth thing we're looking for is a product that's small and lightweight. The smaller and lighter a product is, the better it is for beginners. It's going to be less expensive to ship to the distribution centers, especially if you're shipping this product from overseas. Amazon fulfillment fees are going to be lighter, as well as you're not capped to a strict oversized product storage limit like you are with oversized products. As a general rule of thumb, I like to see something that fits in a shoebox and is less than a couple pounds in weight. The fifth thing we look for is simplicity in a product. A product that doesn't have lots of moving parts is going to be less of a quality control headache for you. A great example that I like to use is a cuckoo clock compared to bamboo marshmallow sticks, which we did for a case study. A cuckoo clock has tons of moving parts and is much more likely to either come out of the factory not working or break during transit. Something like bamboo marshmallow sticks, or imagine a silicone measuring cup, these items have far fewer QC issues because they're very difficult to break during transit, or if they're not built to exact specifications, it's really not that big of a deal. At Jungle Scout, we recommend you find products that have stable and consistent sales throughout the year. If you're selling something like Christmas lights or inflatable Easter bunnies, chances are those are only going to do well a few months out of the year. If you can sell products that have consistent sales all year long, your sales are going to be more stable, which in return is going to be more predictable cash flow and easier inventory management. This last step is my favorite, but it's not something you're going to find in your business textbooks. I like to call it the weirdness test. Products that are really cool and hip and trendy and sexy are often the most competitive products to sell on Amazon. At Jungle Scout, we found that these weird and obscure and strange products are a lot of times the ones that do the best. They're not as competitive because people can't brag to their friends about this sexy product that they're selling. Instead, try to find something a little weirder. Thanks for watching today. If you want to find out more, we put together an ebook that goes over all these steps and more. You can download it by clicking the link below. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe.